Okay, now get you some flour. I'll put you some right there. Put a sprinkle a little bit over the top, and then some on your rolling pin. Roll your rolling pin like this. Let it roll it like that. With all your flour, roll your hand on it. Look, roll your hand on it and get all that flour. That's enough, baby. That's enough. Okay, now roll it hard. Hard, hard. Push really hard. Good going, girl. Want me to help you a little bit? Okay, you got it? You got to push down, push down. Now roll as you push. Push down. There you go, like that.
I'm not here.
Well, you have to do some in a minute, bud. Now roll it back towards you. Okay, roll it back towards you. Okay. I think that's enough. Okay. Put it in your flour. See, all you got to do is like this. See?
I'm not here.
You cut it on the edge, remember, like Mammy showed you. On the edge. There you go. Well, wait. You ain't even got clothes on, so don't get on camera. Okay. Just lay it right here for right now until you get them all cut, and then we'll have to get something to put them on. Okay. Can he cut one? Can he just cut one? Let him cut one. There you go. Stay it on the edge. There you go. Okay, now give it back to Mo now. There's yours. Okay. Put it back in your flour. No, you're good. Are you going to cut it like that now? Okay. You're getting fancy. Okay. Now, ask her. Ask Mo if you can cut another one.
This one.
Little
You gonna have stars?
No.
She cutting some strings too.
You gotta have jelly in them.
Yeah.
You want grape jelly or apple jelly?
She just gonna make her some dough to eat. There ain't no way to put no jelly in that.
You don't think it's a tad?
The star maybe, but
That's what I was talking about. You need one more star.
put
You
it
need
right
to
there.
redo your dough. Pile it all up.
You need a little more flour under there because it's sticking.
Move your dough. Pick your dough up.
Okay,
All
now
right, now put your dough back down and knead it. All right, now flip it over. Good job.
she knows how, girl.
Now flip it over again. Combine that into your bread.
That's good. That's good. Just put it right there and roll it. Gonna have to roll really hard now. Remember, press real hard. There you go, and roll. Press and roll. Wait a minute.
Stop.
Got to get some flour on that rolling pin.
I can get some.
No, Wilder, no Wilder.
Oh, hey, you just pay attention to what you're doing. Make sure you're rolling evenly.
She's doing good. You're doing good, baby.
All right, now make you one more star.
Okay, that's good enough. Now make another star. No, let her make her star. Let her make this star.
And
You
can
done
make
made
another
two.
one.
You make. Let her make. Wait, you got to flour it. Okay. Quit. Okay. You might can get you two more stars out of that.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
No, you
let me
gotta-
help you. Let's see. Okay, let's see how we. I think we might can turn it
Why,
like
you want grape
this.
jelly or apple jelly? Which one?
I want paper jelly.
This one or this?
Okay.
No, you gotta put it in your star.
That's a halfway star.
You gotta put it in your star, baby.
Wait a minute. Oh, go ahead and mash it. It wasn't ready. Okay. That's good enough.
I want that one.
Okay.
I want this one. And then to make another one, I want this one.
You want grape jelly on yours? Well, look, you need to back up because you don't have no clothes on now. You just get a teeny, tiny bit of grape
He
jelly.
was supposed to bring some last night.
Girl, he called me, and I knew he said that, and I thought I heard the bedroom door open.
Put it on there, right in the middle. Get a little bit more.
Get the weight when I come down.
Okay, get a little bit more.
That's how fast I go to sleep. Isn't that right? What now sleep when
Fold it
somebody
over
came
and
in
knead
there to
it.
get it?
Now ain't nobody come get it. I went to bed without it.
There you
I
go.
got a headache this morning. Get me a something to drink, Daddy.
Okay. Okay. Put your star on top of it. I gotta put this star on top of it.
No.
Let me get you a fork. Wait. Don't mash it down. Let me get you a fork. Okay, you have to go around the edges. Just like your mama did. Go around the edges and smash it.
Okay.
The edges, Vicky.
Okay.
Just the edges.
Okay. Oh. Now what?
Gotta make them edges.
Oh, I need flour.
Yeah, you need some flour. Okay, there you go, dude. Now we have to bake it in the oven when we're ready. Yeah, you get to eat that star. Yeah.
I want this one.
Okay, that's good, Mama.